This clip is part of a series in which I discuss 6 ongoing shifts that are changing the way companies engage with nature. You can check out the previous videos in the links below. The second shift is a shift in action. For as long as I can remember, the sustainability world has been dominated by 3 words: reduce, reuse, and recycle. That's what most people think about when they hear the word sustainability. What can we do to reduce our waste or energy? What can we do to reuse products and services so that they have a longer lifespan? And how can we make our products easier to recycle? These things are very important, but they mainly matter to companies who are making things, moving things, or mining things. And these are the companies that are responsible for most environmental harm. But what about the 60 to 80% of companies and people working for those companies that are in services? Those marketing, software, PR, engineering or consulting companies. What about big tech and big pharma? What about crypto, banking, insurance, venture capital? For those companies, just doing less bad doesn't really move the needle. The regenerative paradigm therefore presents 3 new R's: reserve, restore, and rewild. Companies are starting to support the expansion of natural reserves, in which natural ecosystems are initially restored and eventually rewilded by reintroducing species that have left and taking humans out of the equation. This is how we can restore the lost balance between economic growth and planetary health. Handprint is helping companies do this by linking their KPIs to regenerative targets. So for instance, for every 100 subscribers to our channel, we will plant a tree. Like and subscribe and let us know in the comments below what you'd like to learn more about.
Visit handprint.tech to learn more.